In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Figma Access Token. Access tokens are incredibly useful for developers and power users who want to connect Figma with other applications, automate tasks, or build custom integrations using the Figma API. They act as a secure credential, allowing external tools to interact with your Figma files and resources without needing your full login details. Understanding how to generate and manage these tokens is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to leverage Figma's powerful extensibility. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your Figma account. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard or file browser, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This usually displays your profile picture or your initials, and it's your gateway to accessing user-specific settings and preferences. Go ahead and click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking your profile icon, you'll see several choices such as plugins, themes, and help. Among them, locate and click on the Settings option. This action will direct you to your personal account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Figma experience, from general preferences to security and integrations. This is a central hub for customizing your workspace and accessing advanced features. Once you're on your settings page, you'll want to find the section dedicated to security and development options. Scroll down until you see the heading Personal Access Tokens. This is where you manage all your API tokens. Access tokens are a secure way to authenticate with the Figma API without exposing your primary account password. They're unique to you and should always be treated with the same confidentiality as any sensitive credential. Within this particular section, you'll find a clear button labeled Generate New Token. Click on this button to initiate the token creation process. Now, you'll be prompted to configure your new access token. First, you need to give your token a descriptive name. While the instructions might simply say to type any, it's highly recommended to choose a name that clearly indicates the token's specific purpose or the application that will be utilizing it. For instance, my automation script for Project X or Integration with Analytics dashboard. This practice makes it significantly easier to manage and identify tokens later on, especially if you have multiple ones, and helps you determine which ones might be safe to revoke. Next, you'll need to select the level of access, or scopes, you want to grant this token. It's a fundamental security best practice to only select the minimum necessary permissions required for the token's intended function. For example, if your external tool only needs to read file information, choose a read-only scope rather than full write access to minimize potential risks. After you've carefully named your token and judiciously selected its access permissions based on your needs, the final step is to click the Generate Token button. Once you execute this, Figma will instantly create and display your unique access token. Now this part is extremely important. Your access token will be displayed on the screen only once. It will not be retrievable again after you leave this page. Therefore, you must immediately copy it and store it in a secure place, such as a trusted password manager, or directly paste it into the application or script that requires it. If you close this window before copying the token, you won't be able to retrieve it again, and you'll have no choice but to generate an entirely new one, which can be inconvenient. Remember, always treat this token with the same confidentiality and care as you would your primary account password. And that's it! You've successfully generated a Figma Access Token. By diligently following these steps, you can securely integrate Figma with your various tools and workflows, significantly enhancing your productivity and expanding the capabilities of your design system. Always remember to manage your tokens carefully, storing them securely, and promptly revoking any that are no longer in active use or whose purpose has been fulfilled.